The secret reason why the US is building the world's most advanced new stealth bomber. The United States of America has a long history of maintaining a strong and technologically advanced military to ensure its national security and protect its interests both at home and abroad. Throughout the years, the US government has undertaken various secret military programs and invested heavily in research and development to stay at the cutting edge of military technology. This commitment to maintaining superiority in national security and military affairs has been driven by several factors, including the need to counter emerging threats, safeguard strategic interests, and uphold the nation's status as a global superpower. 1. Emerging threats and adversaries. The global security landscape is constantly evolving, and the United States faces a wide range of potential threats from state and non-state actors. To address these challenges effectively, the US government has initiated numerous secret military programs to develop advanced technologies and capabilities, whether it's countering the rise of near-peer adversaries such as China and Russia, or addressing the threats posed by non-state actors like terrorist organizations. Investing in secret military programs allows the US to maintain a strategic advantage and respond swiftly to emerging threats. 2. Technological superiority. Maintaining technological superiority is a key aspect of the US military's strategy. Advanced military technology not only enhances the effectiveness of defense and offense but also provides a deterrent against potential adversaries. The development of stealth technology, precision-guided munitions, cyber warfare capabilities, and advanced surveillance systems exemplify the US's commitment to staying ahead of its rivals. Secret military programs enable the research and prototyping of cutting-edge technologies without revealing sensitive information to potential adversaries. Three. Global power projection. The US maintains a vast network of military bases and assets around the world to project its power and protect its interests globally. To maintain these forward-deployed capabilities, the military continuously innovates and upgrades its weaponry and systems. Secret military programs often focus on developing next-generation aircraft, ships, and other advanced military equipment that can operate effectively in various environments and address emerging threats. 4. Securing critical infrastructure. As the world becomes increasingly interconnected, the US faces new threats to its critical infrastructure, including cyber attacks on government and private networks. Secret military programs have been established to bolster the nation's cyber defenses and develop offensive cyber capabilities to counter potential cyber threats from other nations or state-sponsored hackers. 5. Strategic nuclear deterrence. The U.S. nuclear triad, consisting of intercontinental ballistic missiles, ICBMs, submarine-launched ballistic missiles, SLBMs, and strategic bombers, forms the cornerstone of the nation's nuclear deterrence. Maintaining the readiness and technological edge of these nuclear forces is a top priority for the U.S. government. Secret military programs related to nuclear weapons focus on enhancing the safety, security, and effectiveness of the nuclear arsenal. Six. Space dominance. Space has become a critical domain for military operations, communication, surveillance, and navigation. The U.S. military relies heavily on space-based assets, such as satellites, for a wide range of activities. To ensure space dominance and safeguard these assets from potential adversaries, secret military programs have been initiated to develop advanced space technologies, including anti-satellite capabilities and space-based surveillance systems. 7. Unmanned systems and artificial intelligence. Advancements in unmanned systems and artificial intelligence (AI) have revolutionized military operations. The U.S. military has been at the forefront of developing autonomous drones, unmanned ground vehicles, and AI-powered systems to improve intelligence gathering, target recognition, and decision-making on the battlefield. Secret military programs in this area aim to maintain a technological edge and stay ahead in the use of unmanned and autonomous systems for military applications. 8. Counterterrorism operations. Since the September 11, 2001 terrorist attacks, the U.S. has been actively engaged in counterterrorism operations worldwide. Secret military programs have been instrumental in developing intelligence-gathering capabilities, improving special operations forces, and enhancing the precision and effectiveness of drone strikes. These efforts have been critical in targeting terrorist leaders and disrupting their operations. 9. Advanced defense research. The U.S. government invests heavily in advanced defense research to explore disruptive technologies that could revolutionize military capabilities in the future. Areas of research may include directed energy weapons, hypersonic missiles, quantum computing for encryption, and advanced materials for military equipment. Secret military programs provide a secure environment for exploring these technologies without revealing sensitive information to potential adversaries. 10. Maintaining military edge and alliances. To preserve its status as a global superpower and maintain strong alliances, the U.S. must demonstrate military strength and readiness. Secret military programs play a crucial role in ensuring the U.S. military remains a formidable force, capable of supporting its allies and defending its interests around the world. By constantly improving its military capabilities, the U.S. reinforces its commitment to collective defense and strategic partnerships with other nations. In conclusion, the United States' commitment to maintaining superiority in national security and military affairs has led to the initiation of numerous secret military programs. These programs focus on developing advanced technologies, ensuring technological superiority, countering emerging threats, safeguarding critical infrastructure, and projecting power globally. While the specifics of these secret programs remain classified, their ultimate goal is to protect the interests of the United States and its allies, while deterring potential adversaries from posing a significant challenge to the nation's security.
Military Combat News newspaper brings you the latest breaking news videos and explainers from the UK and around the world. Be a loyal subscriber of Military Battle News and press the bell to be first on our news.